This is your sign to take your little brother out on a date because this was so much fun. Feeling ko mas nag-enjoy pa ako kaysa sa kanya eh. I also found out na hindi siya marunong mag-dab. 6'7", gusto, dab ayaw. You don't know how to dab with 2 hands?
My cheeks are getting hurt because I've been smiling so much.
When we got to the mall, our first agenda was to eat. Tapos pumunta kaming KKV, sabi ko he can get anything he wants. Sabi niya he doesn't want to waste money. That's so cute. So tinanong ko siya kung gusto niya ng candy. Sabi niya he can't eat too much sweets anyways. Such a good kid, bro. Since he doesn't want to buy anything, we went to this Ferris
Scary.
wheel. Oh, it's scary, boy.
Oh my god.
I'm scared. Oh. Guys, I was only scared because what the hell is a Ferris wheel doing inside of a mall, okay? Tapos sumakay rin kami doon sa water slide thingy. This is literally the only clip I had. We were supposed to ride the roller coaster inside a mall. I know, that's freaking crazy. But the line was so long, so we decided magbabump cars na lang kami. The line sa bump cars was also really long, so kumain kami habang nasa pila. And here's Moy doing some parkour. Ooh. Dog, namatay yung phone ko habang nagre-record ng bump cars. Nakakainis.
Everyone in the bumper cars. It's time to jump in the wheel.
After nung pumunta kami ng trampoline park, oh my god, he was so excited.
Yes, they finally fixed it.
I literally had to chase him.
I don't know why I signed up for this. I'm on my period right now.
If you guys want to see the full vlog, I have it on my YouTube channel. I'm actually doing this vlog na first week in my year, so abangan nyo yun. He wanted me to push him here, okay guys? Gusto niya to. I don't know why he loves this thing. Sobrang sakit. Ilang beses ako napitikan ng garter sa laig neto. Ang sakit, grabe. 30 minutes in, sinabi niya sa akin hindi daw pala siya pinayagan. He was begging me not to tell our mom.
Sumbong kita.
This was his favorite thing, me throwing him sa foam pit. And then after that, we took a little bit of a break. And then back to jumping he goes. He keeps on getting stuck here. Like 3 out of 3 times na tinry niya to. Na-stuck siya. Tignan mo. I was teaching him how to front flip and then this happened. It's okay. He's fine though. He kept trying. I did so many front flips na hilo ako. After an hour of jumping, we had to go kasi he's gonna get a haircut. First time niya daw matry yung sinashampoohan na ganito. Ayoko sabihin sa kanya kung anong haircut yung gagawin ko, so he was kinda mad at me. But I swear na it's gonna be pogi. And then look at him now. Super pogi nung gupit, diba?
Oh, pogi. Wow. Wow. Oh.
After getting a haircut, we got ice cream right before dinner. Smart move, Mao, pero it's okay. After eating dinner, we took a bunch of pictures and yeah, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!